Whose car is this? Whose piece of junk is this?
Hey man, it's good that they're fixing it, man. Save old school cars.
And it's open too.
Go get in there, get the jewel, bro. So he crashed and then what? The insurance totaled it?
No, him and his dad fixed it. It's like they're very mechanically inclined.
Like over here in this shop?
No, in his shop.
Oh.
I'm trying to see if you can tell the difference in the camera, but yeah, you can tell on the front tire. It's like this.
Oh yeah. Probably the bent controller.
Yeah, they fucked up the side skirt. The whole side skirt was on the fucking railroad.
Yeah.
Fucked up the back bumper. Look, they nailed that shit in.
That's fucking crazy, man. What the fuck?
Yep.
Who does that shit?
He cracked his ring too. Fucked up the fender. Yeah, bro.
Oh, look at these.
Yeah,
That's so ghetto, bro.
I'm telling you, bro. He fucked his whole car up.
Look at these bolts, bro.
know.
What the heck?
I know. This is when he paid 8 G's for this thing and fucked it up. This thing's like $1,000 car right now. If that.
But he still owns it, right? He still owns it.
I don't know. He said that his dad owns his own shop. This might be it. What the fuck? What is this doing?
Yeah. What else do they got?
Shop. I don't know.
Oh, that's Golf.
Is it Golf? Damn, that's a GTI. I think it's nice, man.
You have cameras here?
Trying
to look around.
Nope.
Let me see this thing. Sounded like something else than Toyota. Did you see that car?
This thing is not.
Boom.
Took the for sale sign off.
It's not for sale anymore?
Took it off.
Look, you can put the diesel in there. Be like, open it. Put a diesel in there. Oh, it probably fell off. It didn't. It probably just fell off the sign.
Yeah, these probably went bad too all the time. These little gaskets and stuff.
Gaskets, yeah. No, for us it's pretty good actually over there.
Yeah, just wave over from there, bro. I like this stuff like that.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Nice. There he is.
Aggressive, man.
A few moments later.
Okay.
But the rest of this, return that. Bro, you're gonna spill that shit.
You think so? Bro,
Yeah,
I add oil every day.
Whoa! Whoa! Yes.
Blah. You jinxed it.
I didn't touch anything.
You jinxed it, bro. You see how clean this was? I never spilled.
Such a new guy spilling oil. Oh shit.
I think I'm gonna have to use this whole bottle anyway, but whatever.
Put the whole thing all the way up to the filler cap.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Anyway.
You put this cold air intake?
No, the guy before me did.
Damn, shitty job, huh?
Yeah, right?
Look at this thing.
Look at it, flimsy as hell, right?
Some plumbing from Home Depot plumbing. That's kind of funny, huh? It's like brand new guys do that. Yeah.
Brand new guys out.
Hey, I'll give you $10 if you open this.
Make it 100 and you got yourself a deal.
Oh shit. They think we'll need you to take you to the hospital after that, alright? Give you kicks and you'll be fine.
Kicks, man.
Okay.
Kicks and some
Samagonka.
Off?
Huh?
Just take it off?
When? What? No?
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. No. Look, it's coming off, bro. Tighten that thing. Damn, your car is no good. Look at this stuff. Burns oil every 100 miles. Grab pliers, bro. Pliers fix everything. Look at this thing. You just changed the oil 200 miles ago. It's black now. And it burns oil every 200 miles.
Hey, stop talking shit.
Hey. What? BMW pliers? Damn, bro. I don't think you're gonna get lucky. Oh, Heiko, that's nice. BMW, yeah. Yeah, advertisement. What you doing? Let me help you out. You might need help with this clamp. Hold on. Damn, that's why they left it loose like that. All the problems for Antonio. All the problems, yeah. WD-40? You think it fixes anything? Now you drop the paper towel. That's littering. That's $100 fine. Damn, what you trying to do, bro? Grounded? Shit. Test it first. It doesn't work.
Why? What?
I don't know, dude, it's just funny. I've never seen you do this to your car. Clean it nicely with WD-40 and everything, like it's like crazy, bro. Oh shit. Oh. It's gonna spark, watch out. Don't jump on this girl. What?
I'm littering again, bitch.
Again?
Samagonka bilet.
Whoa. 10mm fixes everything.
10 mil socket. You want to 10 mil socket?
Yeah, right now. Make sure you check this one right here. Oh shit, comes off. Damn. What about this? Oh shit.
Zip ties,
Zip tie fixes everything.
For real? Should I zip tie?
You need a long one though, or at least 3 short
Two.
ones.
I don't want to.
You seriously were gonna zip? This guy trying to zip tie the whole car. Maybe you're gonna zip tie the wheel to the car too.
Okay.
Huh? Harbor Freight special. Black cable ties. I think you need gloves, man.
But yeah,
You
this
get-
is getting too dirty now.
Such a new guy. Are you new or what? Come on.
Give me a break, Billet, Master.
It's fresh out the oven.
No, that's Leo.
Svinya. Leo, yeah, he's always that. Yakubovich. You realize that it's not gonna hold the battery. You're gonna hold the harness in place.
Hold on. Don't worry, bro. I got this.
I think actually Walmart sells those things that like clamps.
You mean other ones?
install.
Can you just open that bag?
You didn't even open it?
I did. I was just pulling them out.
Oh,
Here.
okay. You didn't open it. Here. Zip tie.
I'm gonna need a few.
Fuel?
Yeah.
What do you mean fuel?
A few of them.
A few of them. I thought you said fuel. What do you need the fuel for? Trying to burn this car up? Yeah, make a nice Christmas tree over here. Con WD-40.
I might die, yes?
Yes. You should probably should have gone under the thing.
Fuck it,
You're like, I know what I'm doing. I'm not new anymore. I'm retired. And I have a lot of knowledge. Hell yeah. Huh? Look at that. Fixed. Zip ties. Oh,
Save lives.
kinda.
Now give me pliers to make it look. Or
Yeah, cut that off. Pull it more.
pull it more, Warren.